Well, first of all, it's not about how much you do it, but rather how you do it. In the Quran and the Sunnah, we see there are two very important foundational elements of all ibadah. One, it should be done well, with ihsan, with excellence, in the best possible manner. And two, it should be regularly done. So when you perform ibadah, you offer the salah, the nafal, the nawafil, in that instead of offering so lots in number, one should offer fewer but well performed. For example, if we were to give, say, 20 minutes to two nafal, 2 rakat of salah, but would spend your whole heart and soul into it, put your whole heart and soul into it, that would be far better than offering 50 rakat in which you are just doing things hurriedly or just counting away how many have you done. Because the Quran, it tells us that we have to perform ahsan wa amala, the best of the actions, not the most actions. The second important thing here is that Sayyidah Aisha radhiyallahu anha used to say that the Prophet ﷺ liked the ibadah which was perhaps short, but it was done regularly. So one day you do 60 rakat, or you perform a lot of zikr, and the next day you're so tired, you have got no time for this. And you take a week off from ibadah. So that would be better. That you ought to spend your time doing the things in a beautiful manner, in a focused manner, with depth, than rather in large quantities without any depth. And most importantly, in Ramadan as well as all the times of the year, the dua is the essence of worship. As the Prophet says, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is the essence of worship. So make sure that as you spend the entire day and night sitting, walking, sleeping, as you get up from sleep, make dua as much as you can. And dua for yourself, for the ummah, for us. May Allah accept all your duas.
Jazakallah.